Hmm. Hello guys! So today it's me, Naomi's Toys. Go like this on the down, and then we're gonna click the one that is like over here, subscribe and click the bell. And because what's that? I didn't know that. I will go check. Okay, nothing was there. Nothing is there. Huh. Nothing is there. Did you know that I take out my teeth now? Somebody or someone. Somebody or someone. 5 mile world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles around these. I see what to ask golden. Close up the road to call and working. I love everything. Fire sweating hard. The tongue spirit. It's hard to breathe. It's hard to touch. Did you hear that song? That's Cradles. Did you hear that? Now, if you don't hear it, just type Cradles. Then you're gonna find it. Just click what you want. Oopsies. Click what you want, and we'll be there. Bye. Okay. You can't really see me a lot, but there I am. And it's so dark. Well, the light is here. I think my tablet is good for. Okay, it's almost night, but it's just. Let me see the clock. It's just 2:06. Come on and see. Oh, 2:06. You don't call it. There it goes. Huh? Yeah. Okay, you can't really see it, but this is the first. This one is the first. And then this one is the last. You don't even know how to look at time. If you know, okay, just comment down below if you don't know how to look on the time. So it's like that. What the? What the? What the? Can you see that? What the? It's so bright, but I thought it's almost night. What the? Okay. Oh, that's my towel. That's my blanket. I mean, do you know Philippines? And how to speak Philippines? Ano is what? What is it? Is ano. You didn't know that, guys. Ano is, what is it? Like that. You didn't know that. You did it really? Nice to see you fade away. I just wanna see someone. Everybody's still so wrong. I believe it's fade away. I just wanna be someone. Being their family. I know Ingera is my full name. My name is Naomi Y. Ingera. And my daddy is Ildefonso E. Ingera III. And my mom is Jamie S. Dionzon. My Y is Yonzo. And my sister is 10 years old. And her name is Certificate Y. Donkeyness. And my biggest sister, 18 years old, Jamila Grace Y. Donkeyness. That's all of ours. We're just 5. You won. Life is belief, but you fade away. I just wanna be someone. Everybody spells so wrong. I'm different. The sun. I just wanna be someone that everybody didn't know. Nice to see what's in your face. Hey, nice to meet you. Are you new in town? Don't think of faces before. Around me, I can give a tour. Found something under the door. On the street of the door, gotta leave. It's a fantasy for paradise. Okay, that song is so terrible. I know that's Five Nights at Freddy's, but you didn't know it. Welcome. Move the rug. Can you read it? It's welcome. Welcome. Hey, if Dan Matt Smith is watching this, call him. If you're in the Filipino, just don't call him. If you're in the English, call him. Or maybe call him and then you have to say, like this video, Naomi's Toys, like that. Okay, you can hear me, everyone. Like this video, Naomi's Toys and Cats. And Naomi's Toys. Okay, let's just rub that all up. Oh no, I made it worse. Uh-huh. There we go. Okay. It's the rug, guys. It's the rug. It's kind of weird. Airplane. Run! It's falling! It's falling. Yeah! Jerk! Everything is getting in trouble. Okay, it's gone. It's done falling. Everything is broken in outside. I'm really scared. Okay, don't be scared. But then that's it. I have to tell him. If you're watching this, or maybe you don't kill him. You shouldn't watch it. Ouch, it's bloody. I'm gonna go wash it. Sweet, guys. Here. Okay, hello. Bye, so today. Okay, I don't know. Hey, how about you? Do you have a channel? You don't? Okay, so if you like me, I think you don't. I think my videos are boring. They're so rude. Nice to be.